Hey everyone, I'm diving into a deep look at the Lincoln Premier, a luxurious gem from the past that set a high bar in its era. Let's rewind to 1956, a hallmark year when the Lincoln Premier rolled out, flaunting its status as a top-tier luxury vehicle. This wasn't just any car, it was a beacon of opulence and style. Imagine this, bold, sweeping lines and those flashy tail fins complemented by a lavish spread of chrome. It came in three styles: a two-door hardtop, a four-door sedan, and a convertible, each powered by a beastly 368 cubic inch V8 engine. And yes, it was as powerful as it sounds. As we moved into 1957 and 1958, the Premier kept up with the times, adopting quad headlights and an even larger grille. It wasn't just about looks, this car was about delivering an unparalleled luxury experience. Plush interiors, sophisticated tech features, it had it all. Jump to 1960 and we see a significant shift. The design turned more restrained, shedding some of its flamboyance but maintaining that luxurious essence. The focus remained firmly on providing a plush, comfortable ride, decked out with all the power accessories you could imagine. But all good things eventually come to an end. By the end of 1960, the Lincoln Premier bowed out as Lincoln streamlined its lineup, focusing on the Continental. But let's not forget the legacy of the Premier. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Today it stands as a prized collector's item, a testament to Lincoln's commitment to luxury and innovation during the golden age of automotive design. So, if you enjoyed this ride back in time with the Lincoln Premier, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of cars. Thanks for tuning in.